All right, friends, here's your schedule for our virtual Friday, May 7th. Going to go over our math in the morning time. You are going to click on this video and you are going to watch it about different characteristics of triangles. After you do that, you are going to go on IXL, 5th grade math, and you are going to complete AA1, AA2, AA3 with a SMART score of at least 80. Some of you may have already had that done. If you have that done, then what you're going to do is you're going to go on to IXL. Make sure you completed your math diagnostic. You should have done that last Friday. And I want you to complete 2 math recommendations with a SMART score of 80. You do not have to do this if you are focusing on finishing these. If you've already finished these in class, some of you have, then the rest of you are going to do this. Okay, you don't have to do both. You've got to do one or the other. Language arts. On IXL, I want you to complete 2 recommendations with a SMART score of 80. I want you to read your Battle of the Books book. Your 3rd book is due in 1 week, and your 4 questions are due on Monday. At 9:30, we're going to go over our, excuse me guys, we're going to go over our grammar review assignment on Zoom. If you are not joining our Zoom, you still are held accountable for getting this done. If you are not joining our Zoom, you need to watch the video first and then complete the grammar practice. Okay? If you are joining the Zoom, you only have to complete the practice because I'm going to explain everything in this video. For science, you guys are going to complete the food web video. You're going to watch this video. Then you are going to fill out this Google form that goes over the questions in this video. This is a graded assignment. Okay? Specials, it's Free Choice Friday. In the afternoon, for Zern, you need to get done with lessons 3 through 6. If you are not done with lessons 3 through 6 by Monday, you are going to miss out on those points. Those lessons have been assigned for many weeks. I'm moving everyone up to lesson 16 on Monday. In the afternoon, I want you reading your Battle of the Books book, please. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to email me. All right, guys, have a great weekend.